Yes, like what? My looks be popping, okay? So ignore my nail. Yeah, I'm practicing dip nails, not important. So my face is already moisturized, so I'm just gonna prime and get right into it. So I'm gonna start off with eyes today because that's just the order I like to do. So I'm gonna start off and I'm gonna do my brows. I think I'm gonna speed through this part because it took me a while to do my brows and I've done it quite a few times on my channel so far, but if I'm gonna do anything new or different or interesting, I will include it, but for now it's pretty much the same old. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Nubian by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna be doing a simple kind of maybe half cut crease or maybe a halo eye. So I went in with, I don't think there's names in this one, but I went in with this shade and as my transition, and now I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take this one to deepen that shade a little bit. Back in with the first brush and just a little of the product and kind of diffuse this. This darker shade to kind of deepen that even more and make it smoky. The brush just disappeared. I want a more brown color in this area. This is giving me such a reddish brown, yeah. So this is the kind of brown I like. I'm more going for. So I'm taking Kufu for, honestly I can't pronounce, I'm not sure how is the right way to pronounce it, but I'm going in with this brown right here in the middle. I'm not gonna lie, each time I do my eyeshadow it gets really hectic and then it comes together. And I was really trying to use just one palette but yeah, so now I'm gonna go back into the dark brown to deepen that now. Go back in with this lighter shade because I think that got lost a little when I was adding the new brown. I'm gonna cut my crease with the Rumor 1. I'm gonna go in with Cano, I think, this. I'm gonna start off with my Maybelline Baby Skin. To color correct, I'm gonna use my P. Louise Rumor Base in 6. Set that with my e.l.f. powder in Soft Luminous. I'm going to take my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in Warm Coconut. I'm going to spray my brush with the Make It Last. I either put on way too much or Warm Coconut is way too warm. I look orange. We'll see when it dries. It definitely didn't look like this the last time. And I'm not even sure if on camera it's picking up as orange as I'm seeing it. Like, I look Oompa Loompa orange. Like, it could very well be the lights, because I do have multiple lights shining on me. So okay, so the more I look at the eyes, I'm loving it. I always doubt myself. I need to stop that. I'm gonna go in with Cool Tan. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in Pecan just to add a little bit more brightness, because we need it. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance Contour. It's a foundation stick. I use it to contour. This is in Cocoa Bean. Yeah, I said I wanted to try contouring like my chin area just to see if I can get that more. I like the look. I don't know what exact the chiseled look. I don't know what exactly to call it, so I'm just gonna call it the chiseled look. So I'm definitely gonna try and see how it comes out. If it looks crazy, then you know, we know not to go there anymore. But my small sponge, my Real Technique sponge, pretty much disintegrated when I was washing it, so we're using the big one. I don't really like this, as I've said previously, because it's too much to handle. Like the chiseled look that I keep seeing is like very minimal highlight and like a lot of bronzer. I love that look, like really bronzy. It's not too much of a harsh contour, it's very bronze, like it's just like a nice hue, and I like that. So that's what I'm trying to attempt right now. I'm just gonna go back over this with my foundation brush just to diffuse it, because it was like a lot. I think I kind of have the base. Oh my god, my nose. I did not realize I didn't blend out my nose. And blend both of them together. Like just blend the highlight and contour on my nose together, because we're gonna use the powder that's sculpt, snatch, chisel. This little concoction we got here for the under eye. Ooh, I got this really cute brush from P. Louise. I think it's called their Deep My Contour. So I think I'm going to use that today for my bronzer slash contour. I'm going to take the black grape. Ooh! I thought this whole thing fell out. It's just the brush. I'm going to tap a little. That's a lot. That was a lot, so let's just really use my Black Radiance medium to dark contour powder, but I think it's very similar because it's like, can you see them? They're pretty similar, so I know it will work. I think I just applied way too much with this brush. I got very powder happy. Just gonna very lightly set our nose contour. Oh my god, do I not know lightly? Whatever is left on this brush, I'm just gonna use to set here where I try that new contour thing. I'm gonna lightly set my face just to get most of the powder to stay where it is, and then I'm gonna go in with my all over face powder, and then I'm gonna set it again and apply highlighter. Ooh! And then set my brows. Blush, I think I'm gonna use the Blush Mellow in Baby Mochi. I'm gonna go in with my Artist Couture by Aina, the bronze. Okay guys, this is the final look. I am loving it. I love all things brown, all things nude. So if you like more videos, if you would like to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel first and foremost, and turn your post notifications on, because I think I'm gonna drop another, you know, tutorial. If you watch my vlog, you saw that I unboxed quite a few of the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. So if you want to see any tutorial with any of them, all of them, I don't know, just let me know. I really had a lot of fun creating this look, so I hope you like it and enjoyed the video. Bye sweethearts.